Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all figured out while others struggle? Could the answer be as simple as your daily habits? Welcome, fellow seekers of success and personal growth, to a journey of discovery and transformation. You see, our lives are a beautiful tapestry woven from the threads of our daily habits. Every action, every decision, every thought we repeat day in and day out plays a crucial role in shaping who we are and who we become. Imagine your potential as a locked treasure chest. The key to unlocking this chest? You guessed it, habits. They are the architects of our lives, silently constructing our destiny one brick at a time. But not just any habits. There are certain ones that have the power to transform lives, to shift the trajectory of our journey towards success and fulfillment. So, let's delve deeper and discover 5 habits that are changing lives right now and how you can implement them into your daily routine. The first habit that we're diving into is mindful meditation. Imagine a moment of pure tranquility, a moment where time seems to hold its breath, and you're completely enveloped in the present. This is the essence of mindful meditation. It's the practice of intentionally focusing your attention on the here and now, without judgment or distraction. Mindful meditation is not about silencing your thoughts or achieving a state of eternal calm. Instead, it's about acknowledging and accepting your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise without getting caught up in them. It's about being present in your own existence, living in the moment, and not letting your life slip away unnoticed. Now you might be wondering, what are the benefits of mindful meditation? Well, they are manifold and profound. Mindful meditation can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can improve your focus and concentration, boost your creativity, and increase your emotional resilience. It can even enhance your physical health, lowering your blood pressure, improving your sleep, and boosting your immune system. But how do you incorporate mindful meditation into your daily routine? It's simple. All you need is a quiet space, a comfortable position, and a few minutes each day. Start by focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. You don't need to meditate for hours on end. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a significant difference. Remember, mindfulness isn't about achieving perfection. It's about practicing awareness. Some days might be harder than others, and that's okay. The key is to keep trying, keep breathing, keep being present. So why not give it a try? Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let yourself be here, in this moment. Let go of your worries, your plans, your past and future. Just be. With just a few minutes a day, mindful meditation can help clear your mind and improve your focus. Moving on to the second habit, consistent learning. There's a beautiful truth about humans, and that is our capacity to learn. We are born curious, eager to grasp as much as we can about the world around us. This is a trait that we carry throughout our lives, a trait that can lead us to personal and professional growth. Consistent learning is the habit that fuels this curiosity and quenches this thirst for knowledge. Imagine a world where every day brings a new opportunity to learn something new. That's the world of consistent learners. They don't view learning as a chore or something they have to do. Instead, they see it as a journey, an exciting adventure that never ends. Every day holds the promise of new knowledge, a new skill, a new perspective. Now you might be wondering, how can I incorporate this into my daily routine? The answer is simple. It's all about creating a learning habit. This could be as simple as reading a chapter of a book every night before bed, or listening to an educational podcast during your morning commute. It could also be about setting aside time each week to learn a new skill, be it cooking a new recipe, mastering a new language, or even learning to code. Let's take a moment to appreciate some of the most successful people in the world. What do they have in common? They are lifelong learners. They understand that to stay ahead, they need to constantly evolve, constantly learn. They know that the more they learn, the more they grow, and the more they grow, the more they achieve. But it's not just about personal or professional growth. Consistent learning also helps to keep our minds sharp. It challenges us, keeps us engaged, and even helps to stave off cognitive decline. So it's not just about achieving more, it's also about living a healthier, longer life. Embrace the habit of consistent learning. Let it become a part of who you are. Let it fuel your curiosity, ignite your passion, and lead you to growth. Remember, knowledge is power, and consistent learning is the key to unlocking this power. The third habit on our list isn't a surprise: regular exercise. Now we've all heard it before, right? The countless reasons why we should be moving our bodies every day. But let's delve a bit deeper into just why this habit is so transformative. Regular exercise is a trifecta of wellness, offering physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Let's start with the physical. Exercise can help maintain a healthy weight, increase strength and flexibility, and reduce the risk of various diseases. It's about keeping our bodies functioning at their best so we can live our lives to the fullest. But the benefits go beyond our physical health. Regular exercise also has profound effects on our mental well-being. It can boost brain function, improve memory, and enhance cognitive abilities. It's like a natural brain booster, helping us think clearer, focus better, and even be more creative. Now let's not forget about the emotional benefits. Exercise is a natural mood enhancer. It releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that make us happier and more relaxed. It can boost our self-esteem, reduce feelings of anxiety and depression, and overall, improve our quality of life. So how can we make regular exercise a part of our daily routine? Here are a few tips. First, find an activity you love. It could be anything from walking, running, cycling, yoga, dance, or even gardening. The key is to choose something that you enjoy so it doesn't feel like a chore. Second, make it a priority. Schedule it in your day, just like you would any other important appointment. And remember, consistency is key. It's better to do a little bit each day than to do a lot once in a while. And finally, get creative. Exercise doesn't have to mean going to the gym. It could be taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking a bit farther from the supermarket entrance, or doing a quick workout during your lunch break. Not only does regular exercise keep you physically fit, but it also boosts your mood and energy levels. So, make it a habit, make it fun, and make it a part of your life. You'll be amazed at the transformation that ensues. Our fourth habit is a powerful tool for personal growth: positive affirmations. Picture this. You're standing in front of a mirror, looking at your reflection and saying to yourself, "I am strong, I am capable, I can achieve anything I set my mind to." That's the essence of positive affirmations. Simple, self-affirming statements that can have a profound impact on your mindset and overall well-being. So, how do they work? Positive affirmations act as gentle reminders of your worth, your potential, and your strength. By repeating these affirmations daily, you're essentially training your brain to view yourself and your abilities in a more positive light. They help to replace negative thought patterns with positive ones and in turn can greatly improve your mental health. The benefits of positive affirmations are far-reaching. They can boost your self-esteem, improve your mood, and even help to reduce stress and anxiety. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You could say them to yourself in the mirror each morning, write them down in a journal, or even set reminders on your phone to repeat them throughout the day. But remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you practice positive affirmations, the more ingrained these positive beliefs will become, and the greater the impact they'll have on your life. Positive affirmations can help reinforce your self-belief and boost your confidence. Our fifth habit is about nourishing your body: healthy eating. You see, the food we consume is more than just fuel. It's the source of our energy, the building blocks for our cells, and the information that controls our genes' function. A balanced diet, rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, is key to maintaining good health and well-being. It's like a symphony, each nutrient playing its part, providing a unique benefit, working in harmony to create a masterpiece called good health. But how do we incorporate healthy eating habits into our routine? Well, it starts with small, manageable changes. If you're used to skipping breakfast, try adding a piece of fruit or a protein shake to your morning. If fast food is your go-to for lunch, consider meal prepping over the weekend. A salad or a wrap can be just as convenient and far more nutritious. And remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also when and how. Eating at regular intervals keeps your metabolism humming and your energy levels stable. And taking the time to savor your meal, to truly enjoy each bite, can make the experience not only more satisfying but also more beneficial. The journey to healthy eating isn't about perfection, it's about progress, about making better choices more often. And with each healthy choice, you're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your soul, fueling your dreams, and building a better you. Remember, you are what you eat, so choose wisely. So, there we have it. 5 habits that can change your life. We've journeyed through the transformative power of mindful meditation, opening the door to a world of calm and clarity. We've explored the endless benefits of consistent learning, igniting a thirst for knowledge that fuels personal and professional growth. We've delved into the significance of regular exercise, shaping not just our bodies but also our minds, boosting mood and enhancing overall well-being. We've echoed the magic of positive affirmations, the self-talk that builds us, motivates us, and shapes our reality. Lastly, we've savored the essence of healthy eating, the fuel that powers our bodies and minds, promoting longevity and vitality. Each habit, a key, unlocking doors to a better you. It's time to seize these keys, to start incorporating them into your daily routine. Remember, the first step towards personal growth is adopting the right habits. Start today and unlock your true potential.